we want distinct real roots, then b square minus 4ac should be greater than 0, not even equal to 0. It should be greater than 0. So let's try. First equation is 2x square minus 3 root 2x plus 9 by 4 equals to 0. A is 2, b is minus 3 by 2, c is 9 by 4. Therefore b square minus 4ac is what? 9 into b square, 3 root 2 square. So 9 into 2, 18 it will be. 9 into 2 minus 4 into a is what? 2 into c is what? 9 by 4. So solve this, you will get 18 minus 18, 0. So 0 means what? Roots are real but equal, they are not distinct. So it does not have distinct real roots. Next equation, x square plus x minus 5 equals to 0. Here b equals to 1, a equals to 1, c equals to minus 5. b square minus 4ac is 1 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 5. So 1 minus 1 plus 20, that is 21. 21 is greater than 0. Therefore roots are real and equal and unequal. Unequal means distinct. Now this satisfies the condition. B has real and distinct roots. Okay, this B has real and distinct roots. Now C, x square plus 3x plus 2 root 2 equals to 0. So B equals to 3, A equals to 1 and C equals to 2 root 2. Therefore b square minus 4ac. 9 minus 4 into 1 into 2 root 2. So solve this. 9 minus 8 root 2. Now root 2 is what? 1.73. So 9 minus 8 into 1.73. Now 8 into 1.73 will be definitely bigger than 9. So that's why this answer will be definitely minus, which is less than 0. Therefore the roots are imaginary, right? See this. The roots determinant less than 0, roots are imaginary or complex numbers. Next, 5x square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. So a is 5, b is minus 3 and c is 1. Therefore b square minus 4ac equals to minus 3 the whole square minus 4 into 5 into 1. So 9 minus 20 minus 11, that is less than 0. So roots are imaginary. Okay, so only B has real and distinct roots. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, test, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you will learn them within 3 months. So keep studying.